Hello friends, myself Professor Dilip Tathe from Padma Shri Dr. Vitharao Vikhe Patil Polytechnic, Praharanagar. In continuation with the chapter named as heat transfer. In last video, we have studied about the various modes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation. In this video, we will study the next type of heat transfer, that is radiation. You know the phenomena of radiation. Let us the heat transfer from sun to the earth. It is a heat transfer by radiation. So the energy, heat energy, which is received from a body is called as radiant energy or radiation energy. The radiation energy is distributed as follows. Some of the radiation energy may be observed by body. Some of the radiation energy may be reflected by a body, and the remaining radiation energy may be transmitted by body. So let us take an example of a solid or semi-transparent medium. So here the incident radiation, that is the irradiation, is fall on the surface of a body, and radiation energy will be reflected. Some of the radiation energy may be reflected, some of the radiation energy may be observed, and some of the radiation energy may be transmitted. Let Qi be the total incident radiation energy, that is radiation energy fall on the surface of a body. Qa is the radiation energy absorbed by a body. A means absorbed, Q means heat energy or radiation energy. Here next QR, R is the radiation energy reflected by a body, that is a QR. QT, radiation energy transmitted by the body. T is for transmission. So the total radiant energy Qi equals to the sum of radiation energy absorbed plus the radiation energy reflected plus the radiation energy transmitted, that is Qa, radiation energy absorbed, plus Qr, radiation energy reflected, plus Qt, radiation energy transmitted. When we divide this equation Qi equals to Qa plus Qr plus Qt by Qi, so here consider left hand side. Qi by Qi equals to what? Equals to Qa by Qi plus Qr by Qi plus Qt by Qi. Here the term Qa by Qi is called as absorptivity, and Qr by Qi, second term, is called as reflectivity, and Qt by Qi is called as transmissivity. Same thing, the term qa by qi is called as absorptivity. Absorptivity is the ratio of radiant energy absorbed by the body to the total energy incident on the body. It is the ratio of energy, heat energy absorbed by the body to the total radiation heat energy of the body incident on the body. Same way, the term QR by QI is called as reflectivity of the body. That means it is again a ratio of the radiant energy reflected by the body to the total radiant energy incident on the body. Same way, the term QT by QI is called as transmissivity of the body, and it is the ratio of radiation energy transmitted by the body to the total heat energy received by the body. So again here QA by QI, so absorptivity is denoted by symbol alpha. QR by QI, it is reflectivity and denoted by symbol beta. QT by QI is transmissivity and denoted by symbol gamma. So we can write this equation as alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 1, means total energy absorbed by the body plus energy reflected by the body plus energy transmitted by the body equals to 1. So what is the term emissivity? So let us consider what is meant by emissive power. The heat energy emits by the body is called as emissive power. Heat energy emits by a hot body is called as its emissive power, and emissivity is the ratio of actual emissive power of a body, particular body, to the emissive power of a black body. That is, epsilon equals to capital E, emissive power of a particular body, divided by emissive power of a black body. And this emissivity, it's depend on the wavelength of the radiation, the surface temperature of a body, surface finish also, whether it is polished or oxidized, clean, whether it is dirt or weathered, etc. And it also depend on the angle of emission, angle of incident rays. So next one, study the concept of black body. A black body which absorbs all the radiant energy incident on it. So here the absorptivity of black body equals to 1, near about 1, and the transmittivity and reflectivity is a 0. That is, beta equals to 0, alpha equals to 1, gamma equals to 0. And the absorptivity of a black body is near about 1. But the perfect black body does not exist in nature. No black body has absorptivity equals to 1 practically. We can take an example of hollow sphere, how the heat energy is absorbed in a hollow sphere. So we know different laws are related to the heat transfer. One, Fourier's law of heat conduction is related to the conduction. Newton's law of cooling is related to the convection, and Stephen Boltzmann law is related to radiation. So, according to the scientist Stephen, he says that the total radiant energy emitted from a surface is proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. That means emitted energy E is directly proportional to the fourth power of absolute temperature. That means T raised to power 4. So equation will be E proportional to T raised to power 4, and this equation can be written as E equals to sigma T raised to power 4. So here sigma is constant of proportionality, and it is called as Stephen Boltzmann constant. The value of Stephen Boltzmann constant equals to 5.67 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin. This law is applicable for black body. Black body, which is a perfect emitter and absorb all the radiations, it emits the radiation uniformly in all directions. No directional distribution is there. It's a diffuse, and total radiation emission per unit time and area in all directions. So here again Stephen Boltzmann's constant sigma equals to 5.67 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8 watt per meter degree Kelvin. Thank you very much. In next lecture video we will study about the next modes of heat transfer, that is convection. Thank you very much.